I was running through the 6 with my walk. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Running through the 6 with my walks. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Don't fuck with them niggas. They too irrational. Whoa. Listen that nasty flow. Top boy in this shit. I'm so international. Reps up is in here. Got P-Ray and Chubby and TJ and Winnie and whoa.
Hey, snow challenge.
What's up, you guys?
What's up, guys?
We know it's been a while. We're sorry, but we're back with a bang. It's snowing, so all the boys came to Chris's house. We met up. We're gonna go drift. But yeah, there's Lamar with Tony.
Hey, we finna show y'all what having fun in the snow is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, stick with us. Like the snow. Haha.
Like that, right? It's a lot of snow right there. It looks so fucking easy.
Break it up. Break it down. Bag it up.
See? How it just kept going that way? Feels so weird. We out.
20,000 loans. She said, I'm in. I said, I'm in. I already know it. I come with bad wealth. They say I'm a storm. ABS is in my charm. That's a Rockefeller chain. I was sending bricks to home back when Jay was still with Dave. I'm a believe chain. I got to take her home. Got a simple with me. She picked up. She's home. She gon' send it up. She don't even make her. She gon' read up. She said,
subiendo.
So this person got stuck trying to come up the hill.
You motherfucker.
Oh.
Hey baby, you okay, baby? You good?
I'm good.
You good?
Alright.
Pero sácalo y ya, hermano, pues dale para adelante.
Oh, shit! Nigga going sideways as fuck!
Yeah, you said it!
Let's get lit! Oh.
Niggas want war, yeah, give me door, yeah. Niggas want the sauce, yeah, shake them off, yeah. I'm feeling the hole, yeah.
On the regular, yeah. On the regular. Johnny sucking dick, hey, yo, on the regular. On the regular.
We off-roading, boy. Oh shit. A big ass bump. Off-roading, bitch. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh look at that. Look at
Come on, nigga.
We try to open this gate. Sorry if I'm shaking, but it's cold as fuck. And it's closed. I wanted to open it because this is a track right here, because this is a school. But we're over here, you know, just fucking around and shit. Dude, our buddy Lou, his little Infinity SUV is fucking around. Oh shit, he's going pretty sideways, to be honest. Yo, that nigga.
Oh, yo, how you the cover on. Oh, shit. It's like, oh, my.
Oh shit!
Yeah. Hell yeah, nigga. Okay. Move, nigga.
Hey, what's up? So, I know we haven't been vlogging a lot lately. We're planning on getting back, you know. We just gotta find stuff to do, which is really difficult because one, we're in school, and then me, most of the time I'm at work, so, but like right now I'm at work. Well, this is my second job. I work at a convention center with Johnny. If you guys been keeping up with the vlogs, y'all know this. If not, then yeah. But then here I work with one of my friends. He works here at the Wells Fargo corporate in Charlotte. And yeah, so I'm working right now, but it's kind of, you know, a slow day. It snowed outside. But yeah, that's all I'm up to right now. I'm pretty sure the guys are all together, so we're gonna switch the camera to them.
We going to the next spot, yay! So much traffic! We're here at the second spot, boy. I put a post up on Facebook and you guys showed up. Yeah. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Dude, what the fuck? We're going like 20 miles an hour! We hooked the trash can to it now. Let's try this bit. Oh shit! It's working! Oh shit, it's working! Oh shit! Lamar! Lamar! No! Holy fuck! Lamar, you on? Oh my fucking god! Lamar, you alright, bro? You went from black to white. So we scavengered and found this piece of. It's like a fucking table. It's a table. It has handles. Go fast, go fast. What a dog. Oh! It's working! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Go! 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 Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Oh! Oh! like 20 minutes. This is too fun.
Oh shit. He hit the sidewalk and everything.